In this video, I'll show you how to invite friends in Minecraft quickly and easily. If you want to play together with your friends, just watch till the end. First, open Minecraft on your device and go to the main home screen. Now tap on Play to see your worlds and servers list. Choose the world where you want to play with your friend or create one as I am creating. Make sure to enable multiplayer option from here. Then tap on Create to create the world. Once the world loads, pause the game by tapping the Pause menu button at the top of the screen. Here you will see an option called Social at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now click on Invite to Play option. Now your friends list will appear here. Select the friend you want to invite. After selecting the friend, tap on Send Invite. Now, your friend will receive the invitation and can join your world instantly if they are online. So that's how you can invite friends in Minecraft. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.